thank you for joining in and for today's video. You can see here I have another art haul. I've been waiting a little while for this to come in, and it finally did. I ordered again from the Jackson's Art, and this time I picked up a few brushes, a clip here, and a bigger watercolor sketchbook for paper here. So first up, I took off some of the plastic because it was like really shiny and reflective. And this was the Jackson's number 6. Let's see if we get that to focus there. And Studio Synthetic, the series 505. Let's see, take that little plastic thing off. So that tip is nice and soft. I wanted some smaller brushes for details. And I really like the Jackson's brand. Last time I purchased one of their quill brushes that I really liked. And this one was the Princeton Neptune. And the size was the 1/4 there. Again, that's really soft. All these brushes are synthetic. None of them have like the real animal fur, or the animal hairs. Oh, that's stuck there. There we go. And this one is super tiny. super tiny. Look how tiny that is. It's actually smaller than I thought, but that's okay. Because again, I don't have any like tiny brushes for details. So this was the Princeton Neptune, and this was the size 0. And for a quick comparison, I have the number 8. So I don't know if you can see there how teeny tiny it is. The number 6 is really nice too, but they were all sold out. So again, it's nice to see comparisons. This is a size 6 right here. So I'll put those two together. Okay. So those are really nice. I love that like mint green handle too. It looks really pretty. Okay, and I will definitely have the links to these down below. I'm just going to put them on the side for a minute. And again, this is just your basic clip. I noticed the last one that I bought, it wasn't very wide. This one is much wider, so that's good. This one's a little bit longer too, but they come in handy for various things. Okay, and then this watercolor paper is the Fabriano, and let's see, there's 12 big sheets in here, and it's 140 pound. Let's see, I was looking here, it should be cold pressed. I always get the cold pressed paper. I like the texture. Okay, and there's just some basic information inside. Okay, now I did open this up previously. Not sure if you can see how thick it is there, but I would say this paper is definitely, it's a little bit more sturdy than the Strathmore, but not quite as thick as like the Winsor Newton. But this is definitely nice paper. And it has a good tooth on both sides. You know, sometimes when you buy watercolor paper, like you can only use one side. I noticed that with the Strathmore. The backing will be like too smooth where you can't really use it. But I don't see this one being a problem at all. No, you could definitely use both sides. And it has the little edge right here if you wanted to, separate it and take it off. Again, the sizing on this, 9.5 by 12.5, says down there. Made in Italy. Okay. Just make sure everything was in focus there. And let's see. Nope, the back is plain. So again, it just has that sheet here. It has sturdy cardboard here on the back. And again, yeah, these are sturdy sheets. So definitely happy with that purchase. Again, I don't remember how much I paid for this. It wasn't a lot. Again, I'll link it down below. And yeah, that was my quick haul here. And you know what? I will test out the brushes really quick in a smaller, let's see here, I have to get a smaller journal. This is from Jackson's too. Like it has the cool edges and everything. This is that Haiti journal. Some doodles there. Let's see. To find an empty sheet here. This one's almost done. I guess we'll just use this other side. This was just a quick sketch of Times Square, but just to test out these brushes. Okay, let's see. First up, we'll try this one again. It's the Princeton Neptune. This is the 1/4. Again, this came in a few different sizes too. There was larger ones available. Wipe off that, clean it off pretty good there. And let's see, I'll use a bright color so you can see it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check back for more reviews and updates, and be sure to subscribe and like the video.